How to edit or delete media files in WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the dashboard under Posts, hover on Media. Click on Library. Search for the file we need to edit. Click on the file. Here we can change the title of the image and description. We can copy the link of the image. For example, here we change the title to Logo. After updating all the changes, click the pop-up Close button. To delete a media file, click on the file. Scroll down and click on Delete Permanently. That's it, you have successfully edited and deleted a media file in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.